Hello. Notice anything different about me? Give up? I'm feeling fantastic. What's that, little Twitter bird? Why am I feeling fantastic? Because Christopher Green is feeling fantastic. Come again, little Twitter bird? How do I know how Christopher Green is feeling? Because of this magical object that comes to us not from the future, oh no, but from the present. With this device, I can see far, far into the present and learn not just what people are eating, but also what they're feeling, especially Christopher Green. I beg your pardon, little Twitter bird? Who is Christopher Green? I'm afraid I haven't a clue. I simply awoke this morning, thanks to your beautiful bird song, by the way, turned this on and discovered that Christopher Green is feeling fantastic, which means that I'm feeling fantastic too. Because even though I've never laid eyes on him in person and cannot recall for the life of me where, if ever, I first heard his name uttered, for some strange reason, the moods of Christopher Green always seem to correspond to, if not actually cause, my own. When he is sad, I am thus. When angry, I also myself find so. And when fantastic he, fantastic me. I seem to have hitched my emotional wagon to Christopher Green's star, and I don't even know him. Oh, Christopher Green, great stranger, you teach me how and what to feel like fantastic. Do you know what I was just thinking, little Twitter bird? The word fantastic begins with the word fan. But there's lots of words that begin with the word fan. The word fan begins and ends with the word fan. But there's different types of fans, aren't there? In the summer, when you're warm, you can fan yourself. Ooh, I shouldn't do this. It's still winter. Stop. So you can fan yourself when it's warm, but preferably in the summer. Now, another type of fan you can have is you can have lots of fans if you're really famous, or these days, even if you're not really famous, like YouTube sensation Sarbob of Macedonia, who no one has ever heard of, but he still has 750 billion million trillion qubits of followers on his Truth channel. Now, another word that begins with the word fan is fanfare, and that is the first word in the title of a song written by my guest today. So first off, welcome.
Thank you.
Welcome.
Thanks.
And thank you, and just welcome for just doing here.
Thanks for having me.
Welcome. So that's a welcome. Yeah. Now, my first question is, so what is the title of the song again?
Fanfare for the Newborn Year.
Interesting. Now this song, when you wrote, how do you write when you write a song? Just tell me everything you can about the song, and I'll sit here and go,
Well, this is the full version of a song that I finally completed. It's 10.5 minutes. I had a 3.5 minute version of it, but this is the full completed version. I might make a few mistakes along the way, but because I'm still committing it to memory. But I originally composed it for a brass section on the synthesizer, but I've since used it in piano strings.
Okay, well, shall we have a listen to your song then?
Yes.
Well, that was a fantastic fanfare, and this is coming from a new fan.
Oh, thanks.
So thank you so much for that,
Thank
and I
you.
hope, like me, you're feeling fantastic, and I hope Christopher Green is feeling suicidal.
Uh-oh.
Okay, I've got to go. Goodbye forever.
Good luck with it. You've been watching The Christopher Green Show.